I'm Kate Hopper. I work at the University of California, Davis, and I'm an associate professor in emergency and critical care.
I'm Deborah Silverstein. I'm currently at the University of Pennsylvania, where I'm a professor of critical care.
I'm from Finland and I've enjoyed the conference very much. The lecturers are absolutely fantastic and they have given many practical advice and the cases are very helpful.
I use this book which these great ladies wrote, and when I saw your advertisement in my social resource, I use Facebook, and I say, of course, they are, and immediately I make my visa for Poland, and
this is
I'm here.
I think it's incredibly important. I think that's the only way to keep up. The profession is changing all the time. Veterinary medicine is amazing, and we're making a lot of discoveries, new drugs, new procedures. I think there's no other way as a person working in veterinary medicine to keep up, and also to work with your colleagues and meet new people.
Perhaps watching videos or doing online continuing education is also very useful and time efficient. But this is an experience like no other, so I greatly support continuing education conferences, and it's really a pleasure for us to be here.